Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all you numismatics enthusiasts. We're diving into the fascinating world of Malaysian coins, specifically the 5Sen coins from three key years, 1995, 2015, and 2016. Are they worth more than their face value? What's the difference in design, and which one might be a hidden gem in your collection? Stay tuned as we break down these coins and explore their value and significance. Let's get started. The 5Sen 2015 coin is part of Malaysia's fourth series of coins, known as the Seri Keenpat. This series was first introduced in 2012 and is still in circulation today. These coins were designed to reflect Malaysia's rich cultural heritage while incorporating modern security features. Show a high-quality close-up of the coin's obverse and reverse sides. On the obverse, you'll notice the hibiscus, Malaysia's national flower, symbolizing unity and growth. The reverse showcases the coin's denomination, flanked by motifs inspired by traditional Malaysian designs. Physical and technical details. Let's take a closer look at its specifications. The 5Sen coin is made of nickel-plated steel, giving it a shiny silver appearance. It has a diameter of 17.78 millimeters, a thickness of 1.12 millimeters, and weighs just 1.72 grams. Lightweight, yet packed with cultural significance. Notably, the coin also features a reeded edge, which adds a touch of sophistication and helps prevent counterfeiting. Rarity and collectability. Now, let's talk about rarity. The 2015 5Sen coin isn't particularly rare in general circulation. However, its value can increase if it has unique features, such as minting errors or pristine, uncirculated condition. Error coins or coins with perfect grades from professional grading services can fetch a premium among collectors. These coins are typically valued based on their scarcity and condition. Market value. So, what's the current market value of the 5Sen 2015 coin? In most cases, its value remains at 5Sen if used for transactions. But for collectors, uncirculated or graded coins can sell for anywhere between RM2 to RM20, depending on their condition and demand. However, remember that the collector's market can fluctuate based on interest and availability. Fun facts and historical context. Did you know that Malaysia's fourth coin series was designed to be smaller and lighter than previous coins? This move was part of Bank Negara Malaysia's effort to reduce production costs while maintaining durability. The 5Sen coin is also the smallest denomination still in circulation in Malaysia, making it a fascinating piece for numismatists and casual collectors alike. Tips for collectors. If you're interested in collecting, here are a few tips. Check for errors. Look closely for minting defects, which can significantly increase value. Preserve condition. Store your coins in protective cases to prevent scratches and tarnishing. Research the market. Stay updated on collector trends to identify valuable pieces. That's a wrap on today's deep dive into the 5Sen 2015 coin from Malaysia. Who knew such a small coin could carry so much history and value? If you've got one of these coins at home, take a closer look. It might be worth more than you think. Second, the 5Sen 2016 Malaysia coin is part of the fourth series of Malaysian coins, known as Seri Mata Wang Keenpat. On the obverse side, we see the iconic image of a hibiscus, Malaysia's national flower. Below that, the denomination 5Sen is boldly written, accompanied by the year of minting, 2016. Now, flip it over to the reverse side. Here, you'll find the Bank Negara Malaysia logo, symbolizing Malaysia's central bank, surrounded by traditional geometric patterns inspired by local motifs. These designs represent Malaysia's rich cultural heritage. This coin is made of stainless steel, giving it a silver-like shine, with a diameter of 17.78 millimeters and a weight of just 1.7 grams. Its small size and lightweight make it one of the tiniest denominations in Malaysia. Historical background. The 5Sen coin holds an interesting place in Malaysian currency history. First introduced in 1967, the design and material have changed over the years. The 2016 version belongs to the 4th series, which was launched in 2012. This series was part of a modernization effort by Bank Negara Malaysia to incorporate more security features and create coins with lighter materials for better usability. It also reflects Malaysia's dedication to preserving its cultural identity by embedding traditional motifs in the designs. Value and rarity. Now, let's address the big question: how much is the 5Sen 2016 coin worth? As of now, the coin's face value remains at 5 sen. However, for collectors, its value can vary. In circulated condition, this coin is usually worth just its face value, but in uncirculated or mint condition, it could fetch a slightly higher price, depending on the buyer. On online platforms like eBay or collector forums, the 5Sen 2016 coin might sell for anywhere between Rm0.10 to Rm2. However, rare variations, such as coins with minting errors, can fetch much higher values. For example, coins with misaligned dies, off-center strikes, or double impressions are considered collectibles and might be sold for up to Rm50 or more. Minting errors are particularly appealing to collectors because they are rare and unique. If you happen to own a 5Sen coin with such errors, you might be holding on to something far more valuable than you think. How to identify a valuable coin? So, how do you determine if your 5Sen 2016 coin is valuable? Here's a quick checklist. Condition. Coins in pristine, uncirculated condition are always more valuable. Look for shiny surfaces and minimal scratches. Errors. Carefully inspect the coin for any unusual patterns, misaligned text, or odd shapes. Rarity. Check the coin's mintage. If fewer coins were produced in 2016 compared to other years, this increases its rarity. Grading. Consider getting your coin professionally graded by organizations like PCGS or NGC. Grading authenticates and preserves your coin, enhancing its market value. Should you collect or sell? Now, should you collect the 5Sen 2016 coin or sell it? That depends on your goals. If you're a casual collector, this coin is a must-have for completing your Malaysian currency set. However, if you come across a coin with errors or in perfect condition, consider selling it. Platforms like eBay, Lazada, or Facebook Marketplace are great places to list your coins for sale. Remember, patience is key. Sometimes, rare coins take time to find the right buyer. Closing remarks. And there you have it, the full story behind the 5Sen 2016 Malaysia coin. Whether you're a collector or just curious, every coin has its own story and potential value. So, the next time you find one in your pocket change, take a closer look. You never know what hidden treasure you might be holding. Second, the 1995 version belongs to Malaysia's second series of coins, which was in circulation from 1989 to 2011. This series was known for its sleek designs and durability, making it suitable for everyday transactions. On the obverse side, you'll see an intricate image of the Hibiscus rosasinensis, Malaysia's national flower. Below the flower is the denomination, 5Sen, and the minting year, 1995. On the reverse side, we have the emblem of Bank Negara Malaysia, Malaysia's central bank, surrounded by traditional Malay patterns. This coin is made of copper nickel, giving it a silver-like appearance, with a diameter of 16.55 millimeters and a weight of 1.41 grams. Its compact size and durability make it a practical coin for daily use while reflecting Malaysia's cultural identity. Historical context. The 5Sen coin has been a part of Malaysia's currency system since 1967. The second series, introduced in 1989, replaced the earlier coins with a more modern and refined design. The year 1995 was significant in Malaysia's economic history as the country was experiencing rapid development and industrialization. The coins minted during this time, including the 5Sen 1995, symbolized the growing prosperity and modernization of the nation. This series remained in circulation until 2011 when it was replaced by the third series. However, coins from the 1990s, like the 5Sen 1995, are still commonly found in circulation today, although they are gradually becoming harder to spot due to their age. Value and collector's appeal. Now, let's talk about the most important question: how much is the 5Sen 1995 coin worth today? For most people, this coin is worth its face value of 5Sen, or approximately Rm 0.05. However, for collectors, its value can vary significantly depending on a few key factors. Condition. Coins in circulated condition usually hold little additional value. However, if you have an uncirculated or mint condition 5Sen 1995 coin, it could be worth more. Minting errors. Coins with minting errors are highly sought after by collectors. Examples include off-center strikes, where the design is misaligned. Die cracks, small lines caused by imperfections in the minting process. Double strikes, where the design appears duplicated. Error coins can fetch prices ranging from Rm 10 to Rm 100, depending on the rarity and severity of the error. Collector demand. The 5Sen 1995 coin isn't particularly rare, as millions were minted during this year. However, coins in near-perfect condition or with errors can attract higher prices. On platforms like eBay or local coin markets, a regular 5Sen 1995 coin might sell for Rm 0.20 to Rm 2, while coins with errors or uncirculated coins could go for Rm 5 to Rm 20 or more. Identifying valuable coins. So, how do you identify a valuable 5Sen 1995 coin? Here are some steps you can follow. Examine the condition. Look for coins with no scratches, dents, or tarnish. Coins in uncirculated condition are more desirable to collectors. Inspect for errors. Use a magnifying glass to check for minting errors, such as misaligned designs, double impressions, or unusual patterns. Weigh the coin. A standard 5Sen 1995 coin weighs 1.41 grams. If your coin is significantly heavier or lighter, it could indicate a minting anomaly. Compare with other coins. If you have multiple 5Sen coins, compare their features to identify any discrepancies. Professional grading. If you believe your coin is rare or valuable, consider sending it to a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC for authentication. Selling and collecting tips. Are you thinking about selling or collecting the 5Sen 1995 coin? Here are some tips to help you out. For collectors, if you're a collector, focus on building a complete set of Malaysian coins from different years and series. Protect your coins using coin holders or albums to prevent scratches and tarnish. For sellers, if you have an error coin or one in mint condition, list it on platforms like eBay, Carousel, or Facebook Marketplace. Take clear, high-quality photos of the coin and provide a detailed description to attract buyers. Stay updated. Keep an eye on coin auction sites and forums to understand the current market trends and prices for the 5Sen 1995 coin. Closing remarks. And that's everything you need to know about the 5Sen 1995 Malaysian coin. While it may seem like an ordinary piece of pocket change, its history, design, and potential collector's value make it a fascinating addition to any coin collection. Thank you for joining us on this numismatic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coin collecting tips and treasures. What's the most valuable coin in your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy collecting!